3 steps in dividing proper fraction by a whole number. First, write the whole number as a fraction. Second, apply multiplying by the reciprocal. Third, simplify the fraction if possible. Okay, let's answer number 1. 5 over 7 divided by 5. Write the whole number as a fraction. 5 is 5 over 1 if we will write it as a fraction. Okay, second, apply multiplying by the reciprocal. So copy the first fraction, 5 over 7. Division sign becomes multiplication sign. Get the reciprocal of 5 over 1. It's 1 over 5. 5 becomes the denominator. 1 becomes the numerator. And then, let's multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 over 35, there is a common factor, 5, so we need to simplify. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So we have 1 over 7, and this is the final answer. Okay, you can try also number 2. And what is your